Before pandemic, have you tried to accompany your mother to visit the grocery store? What are the things that you and your mother had bought? And the delightful part is, have you tried to put something or add something on that item, such as candies or chocolate, as part of the items that you and your mother bought? Good morning. This is Sir Christian, your live streaming in science, and join me as I take you to another productive, full of learning, and very timely lesson in Science 5. But before anything else, I'd like to introduce to you a kind of game that we're going to play before our lesson. In this game, as I introduce this to you, is I want you to pick one picture that does not belong to the group. Does this sound familiar? Okay, let us try the first one. Here, I have four pictures, and I'd like you to observe which one is different. Can I see on the comment which one is different? Yes, I saw one. Yes, it's right. It's the cactus. Very good. Let's move further. In these pictures, which is different? Can you type your answer on the comment box? We have three fruits there as a clue. Yes. The main thing that is different is the cookies. Let's try another. Which is different? We have three kinds of animals and a plant. Of course, the thing that is different is the plant itself. Let's make it more timely nowadays. Now, in these pictures, do you have an idea which of this is different? Do you normally see these pictures or this item somewhere else? Can I see your answer in the comment box? Yes, the main thing that is different here is the hammer. You are correct. Lastly, do you have an idea who is the different or which is different in these pictures? What? Three of them are frontliners and one is none? Yes. One of these is not a frontliner and his profession is engineer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot this short game, and we're going to proceed to our main lesson. For now, our objective of this lesson is to classify materials found in the environment according to use. They are personal body care products, cleaning agents, and medicine. For us to understand what classify means, it's like you are given different colors of candies and you have seen red, green, and orange. And then all you have to do is to try to group all the colors of candies as green, red, and blue. So that is what we mean by the word classify. All right? Can we proceed now? I'd like you to put yourself in a situation as this. Now, one morning, Juana joined her mother to visit the grocery store. I'm sure some or most of you have tried to accompany their mother. And when they arrived home, she took all the things they bought and tried to group them together. Have you seen how Juana thinks? Okay. Now, can you guess how Juana group all the things they bought? Or another question, would Juana and her mother would simply get all what they bought and store them in a particular place? Of course, that would not be the thing that we should expect. Now, in our study of classification of materials, this is how she or Juana should classify the items or the household materials that her mother and she bought. So we have the personal care products. They refer to those products that are used as cosmetics for beautification and used in personal hygiene. How can we sum up the personal care products? These are products that can be used to beautify you and me, or all the products that can be used for personal hygiene. Okay? So these products include, let's say, toothpaste. What else? Powder or face powder. And it can be a perfume. All right? Okay. What about cleaning products? Cleaning products refer to laundry detergents, bleaches, dishwashing products, and other household cleaners that help improve cleaning efficiency. Now, how do you think of these products? So, mostly, these products can be used to clean our plates, wash our laundry, and sometimes even to clean or disinfect our home. And I think you can follow, right? Lastly, the medicines are used to treat disease and improve health. All right, they are too easy for you. And I'd like to add, aside from personal care products, cleaning products, and medicines, there are a lot of products that can be added to this classification. In our future lessons in science, or if you would try to go ahead or visit your modules, you can see another classification such as the pesticides or the herbicides, and as well as the reagents or those things that can be added to your food. Okay? But for now, we will be focused on the personal care products, cleaning products, and medicines. Now, as a short activity, or as to help Juana to sort out or classify the things their mother and she bought, I'm going to accompany you into an activity. So this time, I'd like to help Juana to classify the materials below and use the table provided on the right. It's like you can imagine that what they bought are body lotion, detergent powder, cough syrup, vitamin C, and toothpaste. Are you ready now? And for that, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to put on the proper column all the household materials her mother and she bought. Okay? 2 minutes. Start now. All right, I'm sure this one is easy for you, and our time is up. I'm going to reveal the answer, class. Okay, after Juana learned that household materials can be classified, she should classify the materials they bought as follows. These are the answers. All right, for personal care products, Juana must have body lotion and toothpaste. And for cleaning products, she must have detergent powder. And for medicines, she must have cough syrup and vitamin C. All right. I think Juana and the rest of those who are in the FB Live are uh, getting the correct answer for this short activity. Okay? I hope you engage with this lesson, and I think we can proceed further. Now, what are the main concepts that we have learned today? Okay? Now, the very first concept that we should remember this morning is some household materials can be classified as personal care products, cleaning products, and medicine. Of course, if you visit the grocery store and the cashier or the bagger tried to put all the items in one bag, it's up to you, or it is for you to classify those items once you arrive at home. Because some products cannot be mixed with the other products. Okay? Some products can be harmful and some products are not. So that is the essence of classifying the household products that we normally buy. And after we simply bought the products, of course, we should store household materials properly. What do we mean by properly storing them? Of course, you should have a particular place for the personal care products. You should have a particular place for medicine, and as well as for the cleaning products. Okay? Lastly, our main concept is whenever you wish to use a particular household product, whenever it is less harmful or harmful, always ask for the assistance of an adult whenever you wish to use harmful household materials. Of course, this concept is for our safety at home whenever we use them. All right? So we already sum up our lesson this morning, class, and I believe and I trust that everyone in the FB Live follow. Okay, let's have our short quiz this morning. So, as we did earlier, all we have to do is to, in this short quiz, I want you to study carefully the household materials. And I want you to write P if it is a personal care product, C if it is a cleaning product, or M if it is medicine. It's just simply writing C or P, C, and M. As simply as that. All right? Now, look at this product or these products. Now, and I'm sure having their brand name, which is more appropriate to identify these products according to their uses, how should we label or identify these products? All right? Let us focus first on the personal care products. Which of these pictures are the personal care products? Can I see some answers on the comment box on this live lesson? Let us try. All right. So Nivea or the body lotion can be considered as personal care product. Another is the face powder. Okay? Can I see more on the comment box? Yes, a mouthwash or the Listerine. Have you seen another? Correct. This one is a deodorant, and this can also be considered as personal care product. Can we proceed to the other two classifications? All right, let us move on. Oh, Joy is a cleaning product. Can you type on a comment box? And I want to see what are other cleaning materials. All right, I saw some. Yes, Lysol is a cleaning product. Oh, someone have another answer. Yes, Clorox is a cleaning product. All right. So we can proceed to another classification. Lastly, we can label the rest as medicine. What are they? First is the betadine solution. Next is the Imodium. And lastly is the cough syrup. All right. I hope you really engage yourselves and enjoyed a lot with this very simple lesson that we have. And I guess you FB Live viewers, you can do or try to have the same thing in your home. You can look all the household materials present around you, and why don't you try to classify them? I'm sure your guardian or your parents would be very glad to see how you organize all the stuffs or all the items that you have at home. All right? Now, I'm going to give you a short assignment, just like what I have said earlier. Now, look around you, and I want you to name three household materials in your home and classify them as personal care products, cleaning products, and medicine. I believe that this would be sound easy, right? Okay? Now, let's move on. Now, this time I can entertain some questions that you FB Live viewers would post on the comment box. All right? Okay, I'm gonna check the comment box and see. All right. Oh, there's a good question here. Uh, he said, how can we be more safe when it comes to using harmful household products? Yes, we can do that. Once you take a particular container of a household product, you can see the direction for use. In there, you can read how to use the product, what are the precautions that you need to take whenever you use it, and the proper ways to dispose that product. Okay, I hope I have answered your questions well. I'm going to see another question on the comment box. All right. Oh, this one. The question is, how can we classify those herbicides, pesticides, and other products that can be used to uh, kill pests in the farm? That is a good question. These products can be labeled as pesticides. This can also be part of the another classification that we have in classifying household materials. Now, as a sum up, I'd like you to label this material as um, pesticide. Okay? So you can label this as pesticide as another classification of this material. Okay, last question. All right. Should I be accompanied by an adult whenever I want to use a less harmful product? Of course, yes. Because be it less harmful or really harmful products, you should be accompanied, or perhaps if you haven't tried to use that product yet, okay, you should be guided on the proper use of these household products. Okay, I think I have answered all those question, and I think some of you have the same questions of those of the three, and you can expect that I can also entertain some questions in our future lesson. All right. So for now, I'm congratulating you for watching this live streaming in Science 5, and a few reminder for the parents that we have uh, as viewers of this lesson. Now, as a reminder, uh, parents are advised to guide their child to accomplish related activities found in learning modules. And to be specific, class or FB Live viewers, these pages are labeled as pages 3 to 11. And your teachers or your respective teachers in your school would provide you supplementary video or task simply to instruct you to accomplish the given pages. Okay? Lastly, since face-to-face communication is not possible or limited for us, for parents, I want you to feel free to ask your child's teacher regarding the follow-up activities after this live streaming. Of course, this streaming could not entirely support the study of your child. So this would be a guide on what could be the trend in the lesson or the streaming lesson in this particular subject or the science subject. All right, I hope you really learned a lot from me. This is Christian M. Soriano from Perpetual R. San Diego Elementary School. I belong from Team Agham. Sa Team Agham, lagi kang may alam. Thank you so much and good morning, class.